So you're thinking of moving to Savannah, Georgia? Then this video is for you. Today we're going to be looking at another one of Savannah's top builders, Landmark 24, and we're going to check out several of their new construction communities. Right now I am in Brookline in Savannah, and this is phase 3 for Landmark 24. We're going to take a tour of the Dayton floor plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. It's a hair under 3,000 square feet, and right now they have 2 of these available. One's priced at I think $430, and the other one is about $480,000, but they have quite a few different price ranges in here. So we're going to take a look at this beautiful model, and then we're going to drive around the neighborhood so you can get a feel for what it's like. All right guys, let's get to it. If this is your first time visiting our channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about what's going on in the Savannah market. I'm Jen Parmalee with Cozy Realty Group. Every day we get calls from people just like you, so whether you're moving here in 9 days or 9 months, please feel free to reach out to us. All of our information is in the description box below. We would love to help make your move to Savannah an easy one. Alright guys, before we get started, I just wanted to say a little bit about the communities that we're going to be visiting today and Landmark 24. They are definitely one of my favorite builders in the area. They've been around here for quite a long time. I've really had great experiences with them, and their build quality is definitely on par too. I really don't have any complaints, so I highly recommend them. We are going to be in Brookline today, which is in Savannah. That's a little bit north of Pooler, and then also in Forest Lakes, which that is right in Pooler. Both of them are about exactly 30 minutes from Forsyth Park in downtown Savannah, but you've just got the advantage of, if you want to be a little bit close to Pooler, Forest Lakes is right there. If you want a little bit more space and to be a little bit away from the city and everything, then Brookline is going to be a little bit north, more towards Rincon and Guyton area. So just for a little bit of reference there, and let's go take a look at those communities. All right, guys, that was the beautiful Dayton model home over in Brookline. Now let's go take a driving tour. Hi guys, we are back in Forest Lakes again with Landmark 24. I know we went out here before to look at some resale homes. Now we're going to be taking a look at some new construction homes. And we are at the Spring Willow floor plan. This one is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,368 square feet. And this is not a model. This one actually they just completed, and they reduced the price from $724,000 to $657,000. So if you are looking for a great deal, this is an amazing home. You'll learn this with the builders. Whenever one is ready to go and it's 30-day move-in ready, those are going to be the best deals because they don't want them sitting. So let's go take a look, guys. right, guys, that about does it for today. I hope you really enjoyed the tour and got a feel for Landmark 24 and what they have to offer. And please feel free to reach out to me or my team. All of our contact information is in the description box below if you want any more details about builder incentives, pricing, availability, you name it, we've got it. We would love to help you guys out. Until next time, I'll see you around town.